right, here is the update from last week's video. The last 7 days have been some of the highest highs and lowest lows I've had since I started this business. Well, of course, like, losing my husband was the lowest low, but just all of this packed into the last 7 days is crazy. First and foremost, let me say that you guys absolutely showed up and showed out, showed your care for us, your appreciation, your encouragement, your love for us in such an amazing way that I am just like in awe of what you guys did and how many products that you bought. We sent out, I think, about 60 orders. And that didn't include the super thanks or the patterns and planners, the digital products that you purchased. So I want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you. And matter of fact, we were still getting in orders this morning. So, yeah, I just want to say thank you. And then, so we prioritized, we wanted to go ahead and pack and just be out. But so we were packing in the midst of packing orders for you guys. We prioritized the orders, of course, and thank God that we did. Because the day after, or the day, one of the days that we were packing orders, the toilet stopped working. So I said, you know what? We have to leave this week. We have to. And so I set the movers to come for Saturday. And before we could even do that, the owner started going nuts. Like, when I say nuts, yeah, the worst was yesterday, and I'm still trying to process everything. But the good news is that we moved all of our stuff. We were able to get all of our stuff. We moved all of our stuff, and we are gone from that place. We were able to, because we moved on a day where everybody was there, we were able to get stories from other people as well. A lot of things came to light. Miss Lori, who emailed me, I'm following up on your advice. Oh, and in the midst of all of this stuff, the day before, on Thursday, my grandmother did pass away. So it's just a lot. It's a lot to process. So I have taken today to process. You can see me, I'm in my bedroom, and I'm processing. My grandmother was 90 years old. She passed away the way she wanted to. She never had to go to a nursing home or facility. She lived by herself, up until her, pretty much up until her death. So, she went the way she wanted to go. But, just, it's a lot to happen in 1 week. So, yeah, so I'm processing, but I felt like I needed to let you guys know, that we are safe. We are out. We are processing, and we are grateful for you guys. We are so grateful for you guys. So thank you guys so much. I wish I could make some promises about next week, because we had to move so fast. That meant that everything is kind of in disarray. So we're still actually processing some orders and everything like that. And also we have to set up the new office, but we will give you guys videos of that, because now that we are safe, we feel like we can actually vlog. Yeah, it's a different emotional state. So yeah, but I desperately need to get you guys some videos out. But yeah, I'm just taking today to process, because yesterday I was not okay at all. But yeah, I'm grateful to be out. And so that's part of the process, and just, sitting with the bad, you know, acknowledging it, and then, like we talked about in the comments, changing the narrative and focusing on the good of everything. Because I don't know what's gonna, you know, what's happening over there, why we needed to leave so fast. But, you know, it is what it is. So I'm grateful to be out. So grateful to be out. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and week. Preferably it's not going on the bad end. It's not going that way. Preferably on the good end. It is for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one.